Hi everybody, this is SewCanShe Studio Chat number 11, and I have just been putting the finishing touches and making some final little videos for something I'm so excited to tell you about. This is going to be a free video course all about how to make the perfect designer zipper pouch. I have been working on this process for so long because I wanted to be able to make zipper pouches that had nice flat zippers at the top that opened all the way, that didn't have that little pinched corner at the top. I also love using fabric and foam stabilizer sandwiched all together so that you don't have a loose baggy lining, so that everything is beautiful with quilting. And just like the designer bags that you can find in the store. Only this is going to be even better because this is your favorite designer fabric. I'm inviting you to finally cut into your stash of Tula Pink fabric like I did, or Amy Butler fabric, or Anna Maria Horner fabric, or Rifle Paper Company fabric. Whatever your fabric is that you've been stashing away and saving for the perfect project, this is it. It is perfect for using smaller pieces like scraps, for using fat quarters. Obviously, that's what I have been using here. I absolutely recommend that you use foam stabilizers such as the by Annie's brand Soft and Stable, and I will leave you links on where you can buy it. I also recommend that you use the wide handbag zippers, and also leave some links of where you can find that. So go ahead and gather together your favorite designer fabrics that you've been stashing, I know you have, and get some of that foam stabilizer so that we can start next week. Now, there are 3 lessons in this video course of how to make these designer zipper pouches. So I'm scheduling the lessons for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the 19th, the 20th, and the 21st, and I will release 1 lesson each day. So if you like, I invite you to come and sew along with me and make a designer zipper pouch. After that, the entire course will be available on a YouTube playlist, so you can just go ahead and watch it again later. But for next week, just so you're ready, I'll be releasing 1 lesson each day on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I'm so excited. Look at this other one that I made. As I was sewing along with the class, I made this one, and then I used my scraps from this to make this tiny little one. So as you can see, after you finish the course, you will be able to vary the size of your pieces to make just about any size you want. But for the class, I'll show you how to make this size, which is approximately 9 inches long and 5 inches tall. And it's beautiful, don't you think? I don't think I'm going to be able to give these away, ladies. I think these are going to have to go in my own personal stash of zipper bags. Anyway, so I'm so excited to sew along with you. Please make room on your calendar next week for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's all free. I'll just be posting 1 lesson each day here on the blog and on my YouTube account. So have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday.